Universal Studios Orlando has a brand new mega movie parade and a drone nighttime spectacular, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Universal Studios Orlando is going big for the summer with a brand new parade, a nighttime show, and we're going to check it out for the first time in this very video right now. If you guys like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to comment down below which you prefer. Do you prefer the drone show or the mega movie parade? Alright guys, as we enter Universal Studios Orlando, Florida, we're going to start off with the mega movie parade, which consists of Jaws, E.T., Back to the Future, all of those timeless classics that Universal is so known for. They have compiled in one giant parade, and we're going to go check that out right now. So because this is my first time watching the Universal Mega Movie Parade, there's only a few things I truly know about it. First, it's at 6 o'clock. That time does not change. It'll be 6 o'clock the entire summer during the parade's existence. The second thing I know is which IPs are actually in the parade. E.T., Jaws, Back to the Future, Ghostbusters. There are so many movies in this parade. That's why it's called the Mega Movie Parade. As I was walking over here, I just noticed this bench, and don't mind if I do. That is sweet. I guess I got a nice seat for the show, guys. Alright guys, some new information I actually found about the Mega Movie Parade is that during Halloween Horror Nights, the parade time will pivot from 6 p.m. to 2 p.m. So during Halloween Horror Nights, during the Halloween season, expect this parade to change from 6 to 2. That's something important to know if you guys are coming to Universal Studios around Halloween. Alright guys, I also want to point out that this showing of the Mega Movie Parade here at Universal Studios is in technical rehearsal. So this is not the finished product, this is not the final product of the parade. It is currently in technical rehearsal. So everything I show you today can be changed, it could be edited, it could be modified. Just make sure to note that while watching, guys. Alright guys, without further ado, this is the Universal Epic Movie Parade. Enjoy the show, everyone!
You're the doctor. Tell me, doctor, where are we going this time? Is this the 50s or 1999?
Guys, this parade is so good so far. I don't even think we're halfway through, and I'm already enjoying every single second of it. This parade is the real deal. Guy Diamond! I can't believe I remembered every... Oh, snap. they're looking for some ghosts, guys. You know what time it is. It's time for the Ghostbusters! No way. Thank you. Oh, give it to me.
All the time, don't you?
All the time.
All the time.
I need to call you guys more.
You do need a call.
I got you.
Don't worry. We handle this kind of thing all the time. If there's something strange in your neighborhood, what are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, what are you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
There's definitely a very slim chance we'll survive. This chief is
Are we joking? This is crazy! Oh man, this is so good.
Teeth on the
Alright guys, and to close things out, we got the big boy right behind us. Alright guys, that was the Universal Mega Movie Parade, and yeah, it was epic. Every float was so good. I mean, the detail they put into those floats, the entertainers, the music, that is what I call a good parade. Looking back at the parade, my favorite floats had to be Jurassic Park, great finale with the T-Rex. Ghostbusters was awesome, but I gotta be biased. E.T. was my favorite. Seeing E.T. in a parade in 2024 is everything. It is such a dream. The Mega Movie Parade here at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. I highly suggest checking this out when you come to Universal. I'll be honest with you guys, like seeing those old timeless classic movies get represented in 2024, it made me have hope for this park. For quite some time, Universal Studios Orlando was forgetting about their nostalgia. They were forgetting about the epic movies they've once made. E.T., Jaws, Ghostbusters. When this theme park first opened, it was about riding the movies, and good movies at that. And I think watching this parade made me have more hope for this theme park. It made me think, you know, they know what we want. And I think Universal is listening because they know we want the old movies. All right, guys, and that is the Mega Movie Parade here at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. And I absolutely loved it. Every float was amazing. The detail, the music, the entertainment. Shout out to all the team members in Universal for putting on such a great show. Your hard work is definitely appreciated, and I just want to say I really appreciate you guys. You guys worked very hard to make that parade a success, and let me tell you, as a guest, you won me over. That show was absolutely fantastic, guys. As I leave Universal Studios today, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for giving this channel a chance, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I really appreciate you guys. Have a good one.